Today we're counting down the top 3 adjustable dumbbell picks you can buy on Amazon right now. Great for saving space without losing workout variety. I'll cover what each set actually does, the current price range, the biggest pros and cons, and how shoppers are rating them. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Lifepro Powerflow/Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbells, 5 to 25 pounds per hand. Product name: Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Common 5 to 25 pounds and 5-in-1 options. Key features and specs: quick adjust plate system that flips or slides to change weight, compact footprint, ergonomic grip, and several sold as a pair packages that cover 5 to 5 lb in 5 pounds increments. Great for cardio circuits, presses, curls, and apartment use. Current pricing: variable by seller and model, but recent deals and sale windows have pushed these into the $160 to $200 range for the pair. Watch Prime deals. Pros and cons: Pro: excellent value and fast adjustments for light to moderate strength work. Con: plastic components and max weight 25 pounds. Limit heavy lifters, and some users report the mechanism feels less premium than metal systems. Review ratings: generally favorable on Amazon and retailer pages, with many users praising the quick adjust and value for home gyms. 2. PowerBlock Elite/PowerBlock EXP. Stage 1, 5 to 50 pounds per hand expandable. Product name: PowerBlock Elite EXP Adjustable Dumbbells. Key features and specs: modular steel block design with selector pin for instant changes. Compact rectangular profile that saves rack/bench space. Padded handle, expandable with kits to add more weight later. Popular 5 to 50 pounds base. Current pricing depends on configuration and expansion kits. Base sets often sit in the low to mid-hundreds when on sale, but can increase with expansions. Watch official PowerBlock listings and third-party sellers for deals. Pros and cons: Pro: extremely durable, compact, and easy to add weight over time. Con: block shape can feel different from roundhead dumbbells and full expansion adds cost. Some older listings show wide price swings. Review ratings: PowerBlock has a strong, loyal fan base and consistently high user ratings from serious home gym owners. 3. Bowflex SelectTech 552, 5 to 52.5 pounds per dumbbell. Product name: Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells, pair. Key features and specs: dial adjust system that selects weight instantly, 5 to 52.5 pounds per dumbbell. Compact base for storage, solid feel, and user-friendly interface. A step up in top range for single dumbbell progress. Current pricing: routinely found in the $300 to $500 band depending on stock and regional seller. Watch Amazon deals, prices fluctuate. Pros and cons: Pro: wide weight range, great for progressing from beginner to intermediate/heavy sets, smooth dial adjustment and solid build. Con: heavier units can be bulky and pricier than budget adjustables, and replacement parts/accessories can add cost. Review ratings: longtime bestseller with strong customer ratings and many positive reviews praising reliability and convenience. There you go: budget and compact with Lifepro, modular and expandable with PowerBlock, or highest single dumbbell range with Bowflex. Links in the description to check current stock and exact seller offers. Which one fits your routine and space? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.